Welcome to our service tutorials. My name is Daniela. I'm working as a trainer here at Probat, and with me today is Dominic.
Hi.
Dominic was working in production before and is now completing our service team. And today we would like to talk about how you get your machine delivered and how to set it up in the right position. So Dominic, actually the machine, when it arrives, it's already pre-built, right?
Yeah, the machine basically comes in two pieces, the roaster and the cyclone. You just set it up, connect the pipes between roaster and cyclone, connect the chimney, then get some experts to install you the electricity and the gas system. And then you basically can start the machine, measure the negative pressure, check gas, and you're good to roast.
And how this is done, how the pipes are connected, and how the negative pressure will be measured, this is shown to you step by step.